Welcome to Unity Let's Go! Installing older versions of Unity. First we'll want to go to Unity Hub and also go over why you're installing an older version of Unity. Sometimes when you're working with other projects that you've downloaded, or if you're working in a group, then all of the Unity versions across multiple users that are working on a single project need to be the same down to the decimal point. So if you don't have that version, then you want to download it. We can go into Unity Hub and go to Installs and Install Editor. From here, instead of the official releases, we want to go to Archive and then Download Archive link. From here, it'll pop up a window that has all the old versions of Unity that we can download. Let's say we want to go to a 2019 version. We'll just scroll down here to this one. This is the version that our theoretical project is built on. We'll click on the Unity Hub green button and open Unity Hub back up. It'll change this window and update it, and it'll give you that same sort of prompt. What all do you want to install? So again, work with your team, figure out what modules they've installed on their Unity project, and go ahead and install them. After you've installed it, then you should be able to go to Projects and then do the drop-down caret for Open, and you'll want to add the project from the disk to Unity Hub. So in the case of, say, another project that you're joining on, they will likely build the project on a version control like GitHub or Plastic SCM, and when you download that project, then it will ideally be placed in a Documents and a GitHub folder if you're using GitHub, or Documents Plastic SCM folder, and this will just help for project organization. So when you've done that, then you want to make sure that, let's say this coffee table QR, if you click into the folder that has the assets and library folder, so you know you're in the Unity project, so go one folder up from that and we'll click that again, coffee table QR, and you would just add the project. You should now be able to click on that project and open it up, and you should be good to go. Hope it was helpful, and I'll check you later. If you like this content and would like to see more, consider supporting us on Patreon or one of these supported platforms.